Alright guys, so I'm super excited with the way it looks. Subtlety is key here. Beautiful subtle speckles. I hear my little guy is in there. That's it for me tonight. I'm going to do the solid that goes with this tomorrow, but right now I'm gonna take off my apron and go inside and have dinner. I am very fortunate to have a husband who knows his way around the kitchen, and he makes amazing dinners for us all the time. So I'm gonna go and partake in that right now. Okay, so I have a plan for what I want to do for the contrasting mini skein, and I think I want it to be something in between a golden yellow and a tobacco green color. Not really green. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so if we're looking at the color wheel, I'm in this range of colors right now with where I think I want to go with the mini skein to go along with this sock set. So I want to be careful and not go over here too far because we do have a lot of orange in the colorway already. And then I also want to be careful and not go over here too far because I don't want to cool the color down all that much, and really I don't think green is where I want to go with the contrasting color. Now granted, there is green in the photo, but it is in the form of grass, and honestly when I look at this as a whole, I don't necessarily know if my eye appreciates the green in conjunction with what's happening up here. I don't think that those two things together, I mean, I don't know, I guess the more that I look at it, I might be able to reconsider, but that's not where I want to go with this. I don't want any green involved in this kind of a tone. If anything, I want it to be more on the gold tobacco side, maybe like a gold pear color almost. That's where I'm thinking I want to go with this. And actually, now this has been, you know, gotten wet and it's not really in the best condition. I'll pop the regular picture up on the screen so you can see it, but what I'm looking at are these little legs of the bird right here. If you look really closely, you can tell that it's kind of a golden tobacco color all in itself with the way that it looks coming through the photo. And that was what caught my eye when it came to the contrasting mini. My husband asked me why I didn't go for this orangey red color, and honestly I just don't know if I want it to be quite that that warm or hot of a color next to what I already have. I pictured orange, I pictured a poppy red color, and it didn't go with what I wanted. I wanted to let the redness in this maroon color be the star red in the color and not, you know, have any kind of a battle between two different reds. So I'm kind of moving away from that. So that's why I'm thinking something in this area here is what I'm going for. A nice, rich, golden tobacco color. If I scoot the color wheel over a little bit and we move towards green, which like I said, I really want to avoid green, noticeable green, and I don't want to drift too far over into the oranges. So that's what I'm going for. I'm going to throw some colors together, see what we come up with. So this is the color that I came up with for our contrasting mini skein. Now my light's kind of like weird right now, but that's beautiful. That's kind of that golden tobacco I was talking about, and I love it. I'm actually gonna put it right here so you can kind of see. I really love that, and I know it seems strange combined with these colors, but I actually think that's so cool looking. So if you're at home right now thinking, oh my gosh, no, there's so many other colors you could have done, just wait it out until you see it completed. And trust me, I mean, I think you'll love it. And if you don't love it, well, you know, can't win them all. I'm gonna go ahead and go along with this. I have my dye suck over there ready to go. Get these mini skeins dyed because I gotta get this finished because I have a whole nother batch of this that I need to do. So let's see how it comes out.